Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to fix split keyboard on iPad. So if you are suffering from this glitch, or you would say this feature, you don't have idea how can you change back to the full keyboard, then how can you do that? So before starting guys, if you if you want to go with the tutorial, just make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video. So now how can you just make it a full or complete, or the back to the normal keyboard? How can you make it? So guys, there are two methods of doing it. First of all, just go to your settings, and when you go to your settings, now look for general option, and now you will see here this keyboard option. Can you see keyboard option? Yeah, I'm sure. So now guys, you scroll down here and you will see this option called split keyboard. Make sure to turn it off, because when you keep this turn off, you won't see or you won't see your keyboard going in a split mode. So if you go back and try to add something else here, so you will see this, your keyboard will be back in normal mode. So you can keep it turn off guys, so you won't see split keyboard in future on your iPad. So yep, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. That's how you can fix your split keyboard. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.